Hey, what's up guys? This is Doug from Carson Optical. Today I'm here to talk to you about the all-new SensorMag. The SensorMag is a cool new way to guarantee a clear, spotless image inside your camera. If you own a traditional DSLR, the chances are you can access its sensor. The reason why you want a clear sensor is because having anything on it can cause the image quality to suffer. With the all-new SensorMag, inspecting your sensor up close has never been so easy. This device was designed to fit most DSLR cameras, including Canon, Nikon, and Sony. Just place the SensorMag directly over the sensor. The device will rest comfortably over the lens mount. Use the preset sizes to assure a snug fit over your camera. Turn on the 6 ultra-bright LED lights and focus the eyepiece. With this product, you can adjust for the proper depth to gain the sharpest focus possible. You will be able to inspect and truly see what it is on your sensor. Keep in mind this is an inspection device. There are many different cleaners on the market, so it's up to you to choose which one suits you best. In order to properly clean your sensor, you'll need to follow the instructions that are included with an actual sensor cleaner.